Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. Today I've got some subscription boxes I'm going to show you. These are August subscription boxes. I've got 3 and some of the little things that I've bought as well. So I thought I'd better quickly get them on because August is over now and I'll be getting all the September boxes soon. So first of all, I've got the Papergang box. Now I did actually cancel this because I got 2 boxes and I didn't really like the contents. I didn't think it was very good value. But then I seen a sneak peek of this box on Instagram and it looked really nice, so I decided to get it. So it's got this beautiful fish design and it looks so cute. Okay, so first of all we've got this, which I've already seen on Instagram. So these are cute little stamps and they've got the little fish designs on. So that's really nice. And we've got a cute little crab keyring. It's like a little enamel pin type keyring. Just a leaflet. We've got the monthly calendar. We've got this cute little animal print notebook and it's got it says notes there, you can see, in like gold foiling, and it's a little plain lined notebook. Then we've got this cute notebook, which is a fish shape. Not sure you could write on that, it's quite dark actually. Okay, so there's that. Oh, I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is supposed to be. I thought there would be more in the box. So yet again, I'm really disappointed. Oh my god. Oh, this is telling you what the fishes are. I mean, it's just really... what are you supposed to do with that? It's like a really low quality print. When I saw the front of the box and I saw these, it did actually show you these items in the Instagram video, but I thought these were maybe just a few of the items and there would be more in the box, you know. Okay, so now I've got the Willoughby book club parcel to open. So this is my 2nd month. This is what I got the 1st month, the bone ships. So it's a book subscription. You get delivered a book to your door every month and they've got lots of different types of book subscriptions. Now I chose the bespoke one. So you get to choose what type of genres that you like. You get to choose 3. So I chose fantasy, historical fiction, and I think the 3rd one was contemporary fiction. So let's see what I get this month. And also, everybody who signs up to a subscription, they give a free book to, I think it's called Book Aid, which is where they donate books to, I think maybe like a charity organisation in, I'm pretty sure it's Africa, to help, you know, underprivileged children, to give them, with their reading, you know, giving them books. So this is the Half-Drowned King. Oh, so this is like Game of Thrones, only more unscrupulous. Alright, so I wonder if it's another fantasy, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so I don't think it's this must be the historical fiction, yeah, which was my 2nd choice. So, because it's a Viking saga, so it's not fantasy. It says an unusual Viking saga creates a more nuanced and richer portrait of Viking society with its complex web of rituals, laws, and debts of honour. Right, so that's my historical fiction. That sounds really good. Okay, so these next 2 boxes, I recorded it separately, so it might sound a bit weird, like I'm starting the video from the beginning again. But it's just because I'm sandwiching 2 videos together. Today I've got two boxes of stuff to show you. So first of all, I've got the Barry's Cactus Club to open, and then I've also got this Fairyloot box, which is a book subscription box, and you get a book every month and some really lovely gifts. So this particular box that I've got isn't a monthly subscription box, it's a box of gifts that I've bought off somebody else. So I got this on eBay. People sell the gifts on eBay. So I bought this collection of Fairyloot gifts. Now I've been wanting to subscribe to Fairyloot myself for quite a while, but they've run out of places. So I've been waiting for months, and then I finally got an email the other day inviting me to join. So I finally got a subscription, which doesn't start until September. So there's loads of like really lovely gifts that I missed out of, and this person was like selling a job lot of loads of the stuff that I wanted. So I'm going to show you what's in that, but I'm going to get this open first. So this is a Cactus Subscription Box, if you don't already know. And each month you get a cute little cactus or succulent and some other gifts as well. Okay, so this is the plant. I'm not gonna look at that. And so this month's gift is some saffron crocus. So basically some flower bulbs. Okay, so that's that. Alright, now for the cactus. So these are always really cute. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll have seen the previous two that I got, and they're so nice. Oh, that is so cute. Doesn't want to let go of this. It's got little like hook spikes. The spikes have got like little hooks on the end, and it's grabbing hold of the tissue paper. Oh my god. It's a little bit lopsided. Oh. It's a little bit lopsided, but there it is. I'm frightened to touch it. I'm sure I could probably straighten that up. And that's the gorgeous little pot this month. So nice. And they always have little rubber stoppers on the bottom. Yes, that's really nice. I actually bought some more cactuses yesterday in a garden centre, and I got all these spikes stuck in my hand, so I'm like a little bit terrified now. Okay, so if you didn't see my previous two unboxings of the Cactus Club, this was the first one. Oh, no, that one. This was the first one in that cute little pot. This was the second one. And all the pots are just different, but they just look so cute on the windowsill. And then obviously I've just opened that one today. Anyways, I've got myself these gardening gloves for when I'm watering them, because I need to obviously to see what the soil's like, because I need to wait until it's completely dry before I water them. So I have to obviously lift that out of there, and it's really spiky. So this is called a silken pin cushion, native to western and central Mexico, where the population is now vulnerable due to illegal collecting. Oh. Okay, so this is my little handbook that you get in the first box. And then you put your little cards in, and on the back of the card there's instructions on how to look after them. So that's that. Okay, so the first thing is this little tray that came in. It came in the most recent box, which I think is July, because I've been watching other people unbox them on YouTube. And it's this gorgeous little tray which says, "One should never save cake for later when it can be eaten now." And I thought that was lovely, so I went on eBay to have a look for it because I wanted to buy it. And there was people selling them, but they were like about £10 and then about £4 postage. And I thought, well, I don't really want to pay that much for it. I don't think it's worth that much. But then I found this seller who was selling a big bundle of Fairyloot stuff. So it was, for the whole box, it was £25. And when you see all the stuff that's in it, you'll see it's an absolute bargain. So I got that tray. Also, another item which I really wanted, which I've seen in another Fairyloot box, was this absolutely beautiful bee iron-on patch. So these are all like book themed. So this is from a book, this is like themed from the book called The Starless Sea. There was this beautiful lanyard, Alice in Wonderland themed lanyard. So nice. This little pack of cards, oh my god, these are absolutely beautiful. It's a witch's edition of a pack of cards, and look at the beautiful silver edging. And the Jack, the Queen and the King have pictures on. The Jacks all have a cat on, which just looks like my cat Nick. I don't know what these must be themed to some books, but I don't know what they are. But it's a beautiful set of cards. Yeah, they must be from some book that I don't know about. Yeah, considering the witch playing cards, I would expect there to be more witches, unless these characters are witches like out of a book. But it's a beautiful set of cards anyhow. Like I said, I don't know if I said earlier, I've finally got a Fairyloot subscription, so it will start in September. I'll get this September box. This set of pencils called Game of Pencils, so it's obviously Game of Thrones inspired, which are really nice. Oh, and they've got quotes on them. So, winter is coming, fire and blood, don't know what that means. Hear me roar, and growing strong. Right, I don't know what them three mean, but winter is coming is the only quote that I recognise from Game of Thrones, to be honest with you. Then there's this little Cauldron bath bomb, which is absolutely adorable. It smells really nice. Oh, it's actually the Cauldron. I thought the Cauldron was actually made out of bath bomb itself, but it isn't. The Cauldron's plastic. The bath bomb stuff is just inside, but it smells absolutely lovely. There's also this little patch, which is, I don't know what that is. Angel Fall inspired iron-on patch. That's really cute. Angel Fall must be a book. Then there's this elemental coaster set, which these are really nice. So that's those. This cushion cover, which is... Okay, so the tape cut off then and I hadn't actually realised, but that was the last item in the box, I think, and it was just a beautiful cushion cover, and it was inspired by a book called Crescent Moon. Okay, so I also got a couple of other things I've got to show you. Is this plant pot set. It'll fall out if I turn it over, but it's like they've got cute little bees on. Oh, it says be beautiful, be happy. And then just got this plain one with some cute little bees on, and it's in this little tin tray, which has also got little bees on. And then I also got this cute little eraser, so it's by the Gorgeous brand by Santoro, and it's looks like a large pencil, but it's actually an eraser, so I just thought that was lovely, so I got that. Okay, so that's everything I've got to show you today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you have.